Happy Thursday, second grade. I'm here to show you what you're going to be doing for your math assignment today. So you're going to want to head over to Seesaw to see your new assignment. It's called Butterfly Count, Tally, and Graph. So this is our super fun assignment. You'll want to go here and watch this video on how to complete the assignment. And it will show you exactly what to do, and if you have any questions, this should answer all of them. When you are ready to go ahead and start your assignment, make sure you have watched the video and read the instructions that you see right here. You will click Add Response. Here is the video once again for you to watch, so make sure you watch this. It's very important for you to watch so you know how to complete your assignment. Your activity is going to be on page 2 of this template, and you will be able to complete your activity here. Always, if you need to see the instructions, if you want to re-watch the video because you're confused, you can always go back to the first slide and re-watch this video. Or if you want to just read the instructions again and maybe see exactly what you should be doing, you can always click up here and you see view instructions, and those will pop up for you to see.